To troubleshoot Debank token balances, start by understanding what Debank is and its purpose. Debank is a comprehensive crypto asset management platform that allows users to track their token balances across multiple wallets and blockchains. Begin by logging into your Debank account and navigating to the dashboard. Here, you will see an overview of your token balances. If you notice any discrepancies or issues with your token balances, proceed to the next step. Check your wallet connections to ensure they are accurate and up to date. Make sure you have connected the correct wallet addresses and that the connections are active. If you find any inactive or incorrect connections, update or remove them as necessary. Next, verify the blockchain data to ensure it is accurate and current. Debank relies on blockchain data to calculate token balances, so any issues with this data can affect your balances. Check the Blockchain Explorer for any pending transactions or blocks that may be causing the discrepancy. If the issue persists, check for any token migrations or contract updates that may have affected your token balances. Some tokens may undergo migrations or contract updates, which can impact their balances on Debank. Another key step is to check for any hidden or non-standard tokens that may not be visible on the Debank dashboard. Some tokens may not be automatically detected by Debank, so you may need to manually add them to your account. Finally, if you have tried all the above steps and the issue remains unresolved, contact Debank support for further assistance. They can help you troubleshoot the issue and provide guidance on how to resolve it. Throughout the troubleshooting process, keep in mind best practices such as regularly updating your wallet connections and verifying blockchain data to ensure accuracy. By following these steps and best practices, you can effectively troubleshoot Debank token balances and ensure the accuracy of your crypto asset management.